Push him some more.
I want to get in.
Are we gonna keep him there until he throws up?
I need you to hold this.
Okay, let Lincoln get in, or Devin get in there for a minute.
Stop it!
You can stop it. Well, you got to spin yourself. Oh, or that.
You're not pushing it.
I'm gonna try this now.
Whoa! Okay, Lincoln, that's enough. Lincoln, that's enough. Okay, it's enough.
Lincoln, he said that's enough.
Okay, Kimberly, get in there.
I'm gonna try it out.
Daddy, when Lincoln was spinning me, my head had to go like this, so the sun was going like that a whole bunch.
You saying you got a big butt?
Oh my gosh, this is fun.
I need to push her.
Oh my god.
Actually, I'm scared too.
No, you don't need to push her.
I don't think I'm slowing down.
Whoa, you're gonna kick somebody.
How do I slow down?
You don't until someone hits
Okay.
Well, I can't stop. Somebody needs to stop me. Oh, am I still spinning?
Okay, see if you can walk. Get up, see if you can walk.
I'm still spinning. Whoa.
Okay.